Excuse me for being out of breath. It was just wetting. It's dehumidifier time. Got the Insignia 35 pint. And I figured we would set it up in here, because maybe it'll get a little bit of moisture from downstairs and upstairs. Because it is not for the full square footage of the house, obviously, because it's not going to be able to reach the entire house. Because, you know, closets and closed doors and yada yada yada. Something tells me some doggies are about to come down.
Yeah, you might want to move your little guy. Frank, she's downstairs.
Buddo.
Go.
Goose. Buddy. And there he goes.
Is this the way?
It goes on wheels. Where are the wheels? It says it goes on wheels, but where are said wheels? What is this? Oh, it's for the cord. Where art thou wheels? Or are they in the drawer? Wheels. And the fire hydrant. No, they just go. Oh, they go over here. Do they just pop in? Oh dear. Yeah. Do they screw in? Am I stupid? Hi, bud. Hi, bud. I don't understand the caster wheels. Am I weak? Hi, bud. Oh, okay.
What?
It says before inserting, correctly inserted.
But
Are they? Oh, that's sideways.
sliding.
Nope. It says to leave in the vertical position for 30 minutes before use. Do you think it needs to be 30 minutes vertical?
Hold on.
It's also an air conditioner, I guess. It's cool air.
Girls just take the humidity out of there that's already there, so it's just drier air.
It's quite nice. She's going. We'll update. Time to see if it dehumidified. It's pulling out warm air now. Is there water in here? There's water in here. Yeah. Good God. Look at all that water. Hi, Toadie. Thumbnail, thumbnail, thumbnail. Thumbnail, thumbnail. Hayukin. Orange squeeze. Welch is great. I'll be there in a minute.
Why do you make so much noise?
It's a lot sweeter than I thought it would be.
You try it.
Yeah. Yours is less sweet.
I like them both.
I must go. My people need me.
But it sure is convenient to be able to just reassemble it.
Yeah, but we don't do that. There's enough space for your beanbag?
Probably not.
Do I have to move my cord?
I mean, it will make the process substantially easier. You have to now. It'll make it easier. You know, we have a thing you can just put the camera on.
You know
Tripod.
what? Yeah.
We could do that.
Well, how is it going to charge?
Here's a little hooky boy. You can just sit there.
So we don't use this piece of the couch anyway.
No, you just go sit on
Frank uses it. Hey, what it do's? Oh, okay, you're coming in also.
Just in case you need help with stuff.
Yes, because she's the most rebellious child.
She is.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Look at that rebellion. So much rebellion.
There's no rebellion.
I got out of the car. inside.
You couldn't even get it out of this 2-inch hallway.
I think it's funny so that's the hard part. You're gonna shove it in this giant pillowcase.
Yeah, but it's got like 7 fucking openings.
Okay.
Hey, Tom.
Nope.
There's strings. You're supposed to tie it to it?
Oh, probably.
I didn't see anywhere to tie it.
Right here. There's a little loopy there. And there's a loop here.
You're being so aggressive with it. It's been harassing me since I bought it.
Yeah, how you gonna buy a present for somebody and then not let them use it?
Just go into it.
No,
What's it for?
decoration.
I thought maybe it was a pocket. They should make it a pouch.
Yeah.
Ow!
Oh, like a remote? No.
There you go. Sit in it. Where you going? How you getting out?
I don't think this is the side you're supposed to sit on.
I don't know that there's a side. Would you like a table or something?
I was just thinking, I was like, oh, there's one.
Please don't hit my head.
You look like a little baby. You look like a little baby.
You're my little baby.
Like, just think how cozy it's going to be. A blanket.
So am I gonna have to call you every time I need to get in the chair?
Is it cozy?
I have to get you to pick me up and put me in it.
So you can sit together. Is that comfortable? You don't need me to get you out of it, you can just roll.
Oh, I meant every time if you want me to sit in it.
Well, you can. Oh. I just don't know.
He's trying to move my couch.
Well, I was just thinking, I was like,
No.
instead of having the L
No.
for no reason, just put the other arm there.
No.
You don't need the L.
Yes, we do.
It's the worst part of the couch anyway.
No, that's where I sit or you sit.
I don't know.
He's trying to move my couch. It's like, would it help you if the TV were on?
Probably.
Yeah. Him and his second wave of eating.
Stupid fucking dog.
Frank ate half of his food and then slept next to it for about an hour and then ate the rest of it. Why are you behind the door? Oh no. Trying some Barilla Albronzo Mezzi Rigatoni. Huh? No, I'm gonna have a fat ass bowl of broccoli. Bag is like impossible to open. They're like, here's a little sticker to reseal it, but you're gonna tear the whole bag up trying to get in it. fancy pasta. You eat 2 pieces at a time. 100 calories per 2 ounces. 8 servings per container. That's about how much I'll eat. About 1/8 of it. No. 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 Careful, it's gonna fall over. Careful with my butter. It was 1 for $9 or 4 for $25. And I ate it all.
I know, I saw. So we're at the gym. About to go do a chest day probably, but it's been one of those weeks where I haven't really made it to the gym much. I've been kind of busy. We spent all day in Atlanta, and then I have class on Monday, so I didn't go then. And yesterday I spent the whole day cleaning the house because we were gone for one of the days, and on Monday, once I left class, I was gone all day until that evening, so I had to clean up the house so we could, not have that issue. But yeah, now we're trying to play catch up with the workout week. I mean, if I hit a chest day, I mean, it'll be okay, and we'll start back again next week. But next week's also going to be pretty busy. We got a bunch going on, so we will see and try. So we're gonna go in and knock out this chest workout. So I'm done with the workout. It wasn't long at all. I was probably only in there 15 minutes, if that. My body is so weak. I got like this itchy throat thing going on. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't feel very good, so we're gonna go run the errands we have to run and then go home. So yeah.
Ice cream time. We forget we have a Dairy Queen. We remembered we have a Dairy Queen. What you got, friend?
Got a Snickers Blizzard.
This is a medium. I was expecting maybe half this. Dairy Queen don't play.